We had somebody that was paying attention to the forecast because we were supposed to be outside doing this barbecue segment for the summer. Wine consultant Renée Sferrazza back on the show. But you had prepped ahead of time because you thought the rain was coming.
Of course I did, because it's summer and it's grilling time, and these things have to be grilled. So we got lots to get into today.
We got worlds colliding here. Okay?
We do. I have all of my barbecue needs from Longo's today. We have pre-seasoned meats. We have beautiful flatbread. I've also done a grilled salad. I really do like Longo's. They have a great family history. It was started by 3 brothers in 1956, and a lot of the family still works there today. Plus, they have their own magazine called The Experience Magazine, where you can become like your own home chef, which is super, super awesome.
Recipes are in,
recipes are in there.
Sorry, I lifted it up.
You go.
Sorry, Laura.
The recipes are in there, but the pairings are all by yours truly today. So we're gonna start off over here. I have these Longo's fully cooked pork back ribs. I finished them on the grill. I've paired them with some orange bell peppers. I also have a fork for you to take a bite over here if you'd like.
All you have to do is just warm them up.
You just have to warm them up on the grill. That's it, which is really,
you
can use your whole hand. And I have 2 pairings to go with these. We're gonna be bold and start off with a red. This is the Bonanza California Cabernet Sauvignon. It's from the Wagner family of wines, which means it's a cousin to Caymus. I'm gonna get you to give that a taste and a smell for me.
Because that's what you want. You want big with ribs.
Well, this is actually slightly more medium bodied. You get these wonderful earthy, fruity notes, very luscious. And then on the palate, you get these really nice silky tannins, smooth finish. It's made from vineyards that are not necessarily considered great for California Cab, but this is a really great day-to-day wine that's lifted and fun and great with pork.
Wow.
Now, I also have a white wine pairing. This is the Diaz Siglos Momento Diaz.
White and ribs?
Yes.
Right.
Just wait till you try this.
Not everybody likes red.
So the Diaz Siglos Momento Diaz Gran Vino de Rueda from the Dio of Rueda in northern Spain. It's very well known for making wines from the grape Verdejo, and that's what this wine is made from. Fermented in barrel, aged on lees, super complex, peachy notes, very vibrant finish, and really smooth overall. And this is perfect for grilled meats and peppers.
Awesome.
I know, right?
All right?
One of my other favorite things to do on the grill is actually pizzas and flatbreads.
Yeah.
So Longo's
That's what this is flatbreads.
I know, right? Just pop it over there for me. So Longo's does these great flatbread line. They have meat ones too, but I grabbed the veggie flatbread. Did you know that you can actually do pre-cooked flatbreads on the grill? You just have to defrost it, place it on top of some aluminum foil, and just put it straight on the grill. Give that a taste. And this is great. It has a mix of veggies, and we also have 2 pairings for this.
Don't walk away too far because it doesn't take very long to get ready.
It doesn't take too long to do. So we have the Crossings Sauvignon Blanc by Yealands. This is from the Marlborough, Ottawa Valley. Beautiful tropical fruit notes in there. And if you give it a sip, the vibrant acidity and that liftedness is going to go great with the veg and cut through the cheese. I also have a Cabernet Sauvignon, the Adobe Reserva from Emiliana Vineyards in Chile. Chilean cabs have an old world quality to them. Lots of beautiful cherry notes, but you also get this wonderful lift in the finish, which is exactly what you need for flatbreads.
30 seconds. What's the last one here?
Grilled summer salads. Great thing to do. Longo's has an add local to your cart campaign. Add local to your cart campaign. And you have these wonderful grilled white Ontario peaches. Great salad mix, little bit of olive oil, and we're pairing it with a canned cocktail that's ready to go. This is the Sunday Funday canned mimosa, Canadian owned, female made, tangerine, right level of bubbles, real fruit juice in there, only 1 gram of sugar, 90 calories, and it's gluten free. It's a mimosa. It's fabulous with a grilled summer salad.
Ooh, that is nice, isn't
it great?
Yeah. I like when you're pairing with some cocktails, because not everybody likes wine. I know we do, but not everybody.
We do, but not everybody.
Clink, clink.
You can find all these drinks at the LCBO. You can find all of these food options at Longo's, and you can watch this to find out more pairings.
Okay, and we'll get you outside on our patio barbecuing something up.
It will happen.
It will happen at some point. All right, more Morning Live on your Tuesday after this.